I was watching a clip by the amazing Jim Rohn, and he said something about success. He said that if you want to achieve something beautiful, if you want to achieve your dreams, then keep them to yourself. Don't share your goals with other people. Don't tell them what you're about to do. Your success will speak itself. And it's so beautiful. He also said something um, along the lines of that if you are designing a garden, you would not be inviting all your neighbors to walk over your seeds before the flowers have sprouted, would you? And that fits so perfectly with lots of people that are watching this video, including myself, that sometimes we share our plans, we share our goals before we have even taken the first step. And we think the first step is telling everybody. So from today onwards, keep your dreams, keep your goals to yourself, close to your heart, until you have achieved them. Because our mind sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, when you tell your goal to somebody, just any Tom, Dick, or Harry, what's going to happen is your mind is going to think that when other people appreciate your idea, your mind, in a way, has already achieved it, although you have not. So there is some logic there as well. So keep your dreams to yourself. Keep your goals to yourself until you have achieved them.